So DJI came out with the Mavic 3 Classic, which is an appealing variant of the Mavic 3 that was originally released. When compared to the Mavic 3, this more affordable option brings all of the advanced features to many more users. In order to purchase this classic drone, you will need to pay $1,469. However, if you also purchase a DJI RC controller, the total cost will increase to $1,749. With that in mind, let us take a look at what you are actually getting for your money. This drone actually seems fairly reasonable. Other than the addition of a telephoto lens, the design remains unchanged. Yes, the classic version of the DJI Mavic 3 does include a telephoto lens. The good news is that you are still getting the same 4x3 CMOS 20-megapixel sensor that can record high-quality 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. There won't be any compromises in the level of detail while taking photos and making films because the sensor you're getting is from Hasselblad and has its true color gradient. Additionally, you may choose to record in 4K at 60 frames per second while capturing slow motion at 120 frames per second. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Classic boasts 12-bit raw image color depth to assure more vibrant film. It also includes an aperture that can be adjusted from f-stop 2.8 to f-stop 11 to further enhance the impact of your footage. Active Track 5.0, Rapid Shots, Time-Lapse Panorama, and Hyperlapse Photography are all supported by the Mavic 3 Classic. You may operate the Mavic 3 Classic without continuously pushing the control stick by using the cruise control mode. This drone has many safety features that makes it easy to fly. But the most crucial one to note is that the Mavic 3 can fly through dangerous areas autonomously, all thanks to the obstacle avoidance technology in APAS 5.0. With this feature, your drone is now protected from all sides. If your drone ever loses signal, you don't need to be afraid because it can automatically return home by pushing a single button. The Mavic 3 Classic also has an AirSense ADS-B feature that may be used to find nearby aircraft or helicopters. Additionally, DJI's Geo 2.0 geofencing offers details on regional airspace limits. DJI offers the 0 to 3+, a strong video transmitter that can send live video in 1080p at 60 frames per second up to 15 kilometers away. Additionally, you may maintain an exceptionally stable hovering with a Mavic 3 Classic by using the decimeter level high precision positioning. Thus doing so will enable you to capture high-quality, smooth footage with extended exposure. You can capture more cinematic and creative footage with the Mavic 3 Classic because it can fly for up to 46 minutes without running out of battery. Anyhow, you can operate the drone with any Mavic 3 series batteries. As we already explained, the Mavic 3 Classic price starts from $1,469. But you need a remote control to operate it. Therefore, if you add the DJI RCN-1 remote, the price will increase to $1,599. The original Mavic 3 drone, though, costs $2,149. We don't believe this is a poor deal at all, given the price and the features you get. Because of its more reasonable cost, the Mavic 3 Classic bridges the gap between inexperienced and experienced drone pilots in a meaningful way. In a nutshell, this is true. Now, yes, we are aware that it includes a great deal of cutting-edge functions. But taking into account the cost, we believe that purchasing the DJI Mini 3 Pro or Air 2S is a significantly better investment to make. On the other hand, there is another video on our channel that provides a full comparison of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Air 2S. You may see the link in the video's description, and it should also appear in the top right corner of the video itself. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon if you want more videos like this one to appear in your feed. Thank you for watching the video and sharing it with your friends.